there, I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Today in this video, I like to share you guys how to record slow-mo video on your Redmi Note 10, Note 10 Pro, Note 10 Pro Max. So at first go to your phone setting, then tap on more and select slow-mo video. Then now you can record 120fps slow-mo video, 240fps slow-mo video, and you also record 960fps slow-mo video. So let's see some slow-mo video sample. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.